Welcome to the Chicago Botanic Garden and experience the beauty and tranquility this place offers. In the springtime, you get to enjoy the colorful tulips blooming. You can walk along the lake and be amazed by its beautiful scenery. If you think this area here is covered with grass, look closer. The ground is blanketed by sedums. Yes, the succulent plant Sedum pallidum, also known as stone crab or Turkish sedum. This garden is covered with snow during the winter. These sedums may die back at the ground level. They may look dead, but when spring comes, they come to life. Some chunky sedums cannot tolerate frost, but these thin-leaved sedums are cold hardy. It is a low-maintenance plant and it's so easy to grow, and propagates well from cuttings too. Sedum pallidum is excellent for ground covers and rock gardens like this here, but you can also use them as fillers for your container gardens. Once well established, they are drought and heat tolerant. Would you like to see something interesting? The roof of this building here is covered with sedum.